Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Making serious money with OpenAI's AgentKit and ChatKit involves leveraging the platform's power to build, deploy, and scale specialized AI agents that solve high-value business problems. The core monetization strategy revolves around two main parts. That is, reducing costs for large organizations by automating workflows and creating new revenue generating products that can be sold on a subscription basis. The most direct way to generate revenue is through service agency models. By becoming an expert in AgentKit's visual workflow design, that is Agent Builder, and custom UI deployments, that is ChatKit, you can offer services to mid to large sized businesses. Your pitch focuses on building highly customized proprietary agents for clients to automate critical tasks like lead qualification, sales research, internal knowledge retrieval, or customer support triage. For example, you can build an agent that connects to a client's CRM and ticketing systems to automatically resolve level 1 support issues, resulting in significant savings on labor costs for the client. The revenue here is generated through initial development fees, a monthly maintenance or optimization fee, and a usage-based fee tied to the agent's API calls. Another highly profitable avenue is to develop and market vertical SaaS, that is software as a service agents. Instead of building a custom solution for one client, you can create a highly specialized agent for a niche industry such as an AI legal document summarizer or an automated e-commerce product description generator. You can use AgentKit to build the complex logic and ChatKit to provide the polished embeddable user interface, then sell access to this agent on a monthly subscription model to multiple businesses within that niche. This leverages AgentKit's speed to market, allowing you to launch a robust, polished product with a minimal front-end engineering team. Success in this model hinges on continuous optimization using AgentKit's evolves features to ensure high accuracy and performance, justifying the premium subscription price. To maximize your earnings, you must focus on high leverage use cases where AI agents can drive measurable ROI. This includes automating core business processes like financial reporting, employee onboarding with custom knowledge bases, or marketing personalization. AgentKit simplifies this by offering tools like the connector registry to link agents to business data and guardrails to ensure safe and compliant operation. Ultimately, making serious money is about being the orchestrator, designing the right logic in Agent Builder, packaging it with a great user experience via ChatKit, and proving its value through rigorous evaluation, allowing you to charge for the massive time and cost savings the autonomous agent delivers. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.